Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the 2024 upgraded digital camera, a fantastic choice for kids, teens, and beginners looking to explore photography with ease and creativity. This compact camera boasts an impressive 56 megapixels image quality and FHD 1080p video capability, enhanced by a built-in fill light for stunning photos even in low light conditions. Designed with user-friendly features like 16x digital zoom, anti-shake, face recognition, and smile detection, it's perfect for capturing memorable moments indoors and outdoors. The ergonomic design ensures that even kids aged 5 to 13 can navigate its simple functions and large LCD display effortlessly, while the included 32GB TF card provides ample storage for all your photos and videos. With its lightweight, durable build and two long-lasting batteries, this camera is ideal for travel, fitting snugly into your pocket and offering extended use with energy-saving features like automatic turn-off. Plus, we stand by our product with a 1-year satisfaction warranty and a no-hassle replacement policy, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.